In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy hashtags on Instagram. So if you're on Instagram, you know that you can't just copy them, that you have to potentially manually written them down and then add them to your likings later. But here's what you can do is find the hashtag section of the post, take a screenshot, go to your photos, and then we have the hashtags here. If I long hold, I can select all of the hashtags, go to my notes, and then paste it. And as you can see, I have everything in my notes, everything from here to here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.